Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm going to present a Pichacocha presentation. I'm going to introduce to you about myself as our Carmet in our purposive communications subject. First, let me introduce to you myself. I am Jacristi Vilado Jr., 19 years old, living at the Barangay Dato Sundungan, President, Rojas North, Cotabato. Regarding to my characteristic, I am a introvert person because I tend to concentrate on my own thought and feeling. Second was the independent because I have the mind of my own, my beliefs and opinion. I am the second child of Mr. Jacques V. Vilado Sr. and Mrs. Jonalyn C. Tungkalin. I was born on July 20, 2005 here in Dato Sundungan. I have three siblings, one sister, the eldest among us. Her name is Chrislyn May, and two brothers, Christian and Liam. We love to play basketball during every afternoon and weekend as our bonding. According to my parents, when I was a child, I am the most obedient and a shy type of child. That's why they want me to have social interaction with my peers. During my schooling in elementary, I am not the kind of friendly person. I don't like to interact with others. I isolated myself among others, except to those who were I confidently mingle with. In this picture shows a 12-year-old introvert boy who preferred spending time with books and drawing on her quiet corner rather than joining the noisy playgrounds. During my high school life, I met some people who made a lasting impact. Our friendship brought support, laughter, and valuable lessons that shaped me. High school was easier and more fun because of my friends. We loved, helped each other through tough times, and made memories that still sticks with me. Their support and friendship meant everything, shaping who I am today. The picture shows unforgettable moment of my life. Motorcycle trail riding is my escape. Just me, my bike, and the open trail. The thrill of rough terrains and the freedom of the ride makes every adventure unforgettable. Earning my first honor in class was unforgettable. Thanks to my friends, their support and encouragement pushed me to do my best, and sharing that victory with them made it even more special. The picture shows the most hardest part of being a senior high school student. We faces struggles, challenges, argument to succeed or defend that thesis. In this picture shape my capability to interact into another person because in this situation we are obligated to um, socialize and interact to people. The picture shows the outcome of my hard work, struggle, stress, that I faced on 2 years in senior high school. Uh, it is one of the most important achievement for me. And now that I am already a college student, I've become more passionate and independent. And I am taking up a Bachelor of Secondary Education major in science in Cotabato Foundation College of Science and Technology. I thought I would never make new friends because of my attitude. But then I make some friends. They are Nefjan, CJ, Yabu, and James. And I've also met some girlfriend. They are Sarce, Tonet, Mia, and Jessa, and others, but I don't know what's their names. That's why I don't. My skill is being a technician or mechanic because I have a capability of fixing some parts of motorcycle that's been broken. And I've already fixed some motorcycle in our town. Let's proceed to the last part, our family motto. Roots deep, wings strong, forever we belong. It symbolizes staying grounded in family values while growing and exploring new horizons.